can earn money on any device access to the internet wherever you are. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for side hustle, this might be for you. Let's dive into how it works. Now let's go to the best part, making money. Once you are logged in, click on the first step. You will see several ways to collect points. Paidwork is a generation mobile time to earn rewards. Filling out surveys, sharing your opinion on different topics. Watch videos, simple tasks where you watch short or export clips. Online shopping is like best for your business. For example, if I click on watch a video, I can start earning ads, and once it's finished, the points are automatically added to my balance. 100 points equals $1, and you can track your progress right on the dashboard. Once you reach the withdrawal threshold, you can calculate via PayPal or bank transfer. Also, don't forget the referral program. If you invite your friends using your new team, both you and your friends can receive a bonus once they make their first out. I have left my referral in the description below if you want to get started with the head start. And that's it. That is how you use Windows between your spare time to establish. It won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a way to earn while you are on it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more side hustles, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Now let's go to the best part, making money. Once you are logged in, click on the first tab. You will see several ways to collect points. Paidwork is a generation mobile time to earn rewards. Filling out surveys, sharing your opinion on different topics. Watch videos, simple tasks where you watch short or export clips. Online shopping is like best for your